Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a refund from your GST cash ledger. First, you need to understand what the cash ledger is and why funds might be available for a refund. We'll then cover the specific scenarios that make you eligible. Finally, I'll guide you through the very first actions you need to take to start your refund application process effectively. Now, let's dive into who is eligible for a GST cash ledger refund. We'll clarify the conditions you must meet before applying. Then, I'll show you how to navigate the GST portal to find the correct section for refund applications. You'll learn to meticulously complete Form RFD01, ensuring all details are correct to avoid delays. Preparing your documents is crucial for a smooth refund process. We'll outline every essential document you need to attach with your application. It's also vital to confirm your bank account information is current and accurate for direct credit. Finally, we'll discuss what happens during the verification stage and how authorities review your claim. Once submitted, you'll want to keep an eye on your application. I'll show you how to easily track its status through the GST portal so you're always informed. We'll also discuss the general timeframe you can expect for your refund to be processed and credited to your account. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.